Good morning and welcome, students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So, in today's class, beta, we are just continue chapter number 10, moving near and far. So, to being a continue this chapter, we are come to trains in India. In the last term, we have to read it that normally the trains who are important railway lines in the world, we have already read it about the bullet trains of Japan, TGV of France. Also, these are the famous train. So now we are just reading about the trains in India. We are just reading about the trains in India. The first train in India ran between Mumbai and Thane. So the first train in India, they are moving between where? From Mumbai to Thane. Thane is a place in Maharashtra. 1853. 1853 में बेटा first train we have to moved in India. Nowadays the Indian railway network is a fourth largest network in the world. On India comes under the फोर्थ लार्जेस्ट नेटवर्क. सबसे बड़ा फोर्थ लार्जेस्ट नेटवर्क इन इंडिया इज अ रेलवेज इन द वर्ल्ड. आफ्टर दैट यूएसए, रशिया एंड चाइना. मैनी सुपरफास्ट ट्रेन्स लाइक शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस एंड दुरंतो एक्सप्रेस आर these are the super fast trains, and some are the luxury trains. Luxury trains means the trains basically beta, first of all, several meaning. The several is more than two but not very many, यानी कि दो से ज़्यादा पर बहुत सारी नहीं. Some are the luxury trains also. Luxury means very comfortable and enjoyable train, very comfortable. So it's like the name, that is a palace on wheel, fairy queens, golden chariot means rath, also run in India. There's another special train, that name is a Lifeline Express. It is a mobile hospital train running in India. What is that meaning of mobile hospital? Listen beta, have you seen that hospital? Hospital क्या है? It's a made on land, but there is a Lifeline Express. ये एक ऐसी ट्रेन है जिसमें कि all the facilities who are present in the hospital, they are present in train. यानी कि एक ट्रेन में ही हॉस्पिटल जैसी सारी facilities provide है, and they are moving. That is why its name is mobile hospital. Some major cities like in Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Jaipur and Bengaluru have a metro trains. Have you seen it, the metro trains in Delhi as well? Yes. Mumbai and Kolkata have system of local trains also. What is that meaning of local train? Local train, those who train moved in the सेम स्टेट, यानी कि वो लोकल ट्रेन जो एक स्टेट सेम स्टेट में मूव आउट करती है, दैट इज़ अ लोकल ट्रेन. ओके, सो सम ट्रेन्स आर द ट्रेन्स दैट हुज आर मूव्ड इन द अनदर स्टेट. बट लोकल ट्रेन्स क्या होती है, वो एक प्लेस से उसी प्लेस में, उसी एरियाज में, उसी स्टेट में मूव आउट करती है. सो now there is a quick revision. This quick revision you have to do in your notebook also. Engine used in the train in earlier times, that engine is steam engine. The longest and deepest underground rail tunnel in the world, that is a second tunnel. A high speed train of France, that is TGV. A luxury train in India, that is a palace on wheel, and we have read it about a palace on wheel, fairy queens and golden chariot. Okay, so मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है palace on wheel, so you can also write the same. Now we are come to the waterways. It is a very slowest means very slow, but cheapest means not very expensive, यानी कि सस्ता ट्रांसपोर्ट है. ओके, इन द बिगिनिंग पीपल यूज टू यूज बेटा राफ्ट. Now छोटे छोटे rafts they are using to cross a river or lake. After that they made that boats also. आपने देखा होगा in the previous time the people for going in a one place to another in another place on the river way, so waterway, so they have to use a raft. then later on they use the boats. फिर after the steam engine, steam लगने के बाद उस boat में steam लगा दी गई. then after that day by day nowadays big ships and luxurious ships, यानी कि ships आपने देखी होगी, the ships who are all the facilities on the ship only. सो ऐसी शिप यूज़ होती है टू मूव द पीपल एंड टू कैरी आउट द पर्सन एज वेल. सो लार्ज शिप टू कैरी गुड्स आर कॉल्ड कार्गो शिप्स. वट इज़ दैट मीनिंग ऑफ कार्गो शिप्स? द शिप्स हु आर कैरी गुड्स एंड लोड, यानी कि जो शिप्स सामान ले जाती है एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री, दे आर कॉल्ड अ कार्गो शिप्स. बल्गी गुड्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. हैव यू नो दैट कि पूरी अलग अलग कंट्रीज से देयर सम क्लोथ्स, मेडिसिन्स एंड अदर थिंग्स, हाउ दे आर कम टू इंडिया, कैसे इंडिया आती है? फ्रॉम द वाटरवेज, फ्रॉम द वाटरवेज. people carried through the waterway by the petroleum also in the other country. बेटा बहुत सारी कंट्री से इंडिया में पेट्रोलियम बाय द वाटरवेज के थ्रू ही आता है. वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट डज नॉट रिक्वायर द cheap things. The water transport is a cheap because it does not require building of any roads or railway lines. अभी तक हम बेटा ये बोल रहे हैं why the waterways are very cheapest. क्यों cheapest है? Because of waterways के लिए हमें roads या railway tracks बिछाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. That is why it is a very cheap. It just required a port. What is the port? Port are the place where the ships to stand here, यानी कि जहाँ पर ships आके खड़ी होती हैं, that is a port. Ports बनाने की ज़रूरत है. Where the goods can loaded and unloaded easily. Mumbai port is the busiest port of India. Busiest मतलब very busy. So busiest port is India, that is a Mumbai. River and lakes can also be used for transportation in a very country. Within a country only. This type of waterway transport is known as inland waterways. Like बेटा देखो, in a big ship, in a out of the country, that is a one ship is going to the another country. Like अगर इंडिया से कोई शिप अमेरिका, लंदन, साउथ अफ्रीका जाता है, बट इन सम शिप्स आर ऑल्सो देयर जो कि इंडिया में ही मूव आउट करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ इनलैंड वाटरवेज. एंड some are the moving in the river also, like Ganga, Brahmaputra in India, Huanghu in China, Danube in Europe, Nile and Congo in Africa are also popular inland waterways. Inland waterways मतलब अपनी ही country में they were moving here and there. So many lake in North America and another used are means of inland waterways. However, to travel different countries, we need to sail over seas and oceans. So basically, beta, from the if we want to go in another country, we are also going through the ships. जैसे आपने देखा होगा, there is name is the famous ships, and I like the most. That is the name of Titanic. Have you seen in the pictures as well, movies as well? So now important seas and ocean route in the world are given below. The North Atlantic Sea route connect East North India to West Europe is the busiest route in the world. Have you seen in this picture? That is a North Atlantic. It means North Atlantic. Okay, and the route connect in the Eastern North America to Western North Europe, busiest route in the world. Have you seen it the picture as well, beta? This route is the busiest route in the world. So some another Suez Canal connect the Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea through the Egypt. Suez Canal connected to the Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea and through the Egypt. It was opened in 1869. Because what is the meaning of canal? Canal beta, canal means artificial river. Ships do not have to travel around Africa to between the Asia and Europe. So beta, Have you seen this in a picture? They are not going like to this way to this way. They have to just moving like from there, यहाँ से घूमता हुआ ये शिप ऑल द कंट्रीज़ में होता हुआ इस तरीके से दूसरे प्लेस पर इजीली पहुंचता है. सो द पनामा कैनल कनेक्ट द अटलांटिक ओशन विद द पैसिफिक ओशन. देयर नेम इज पनामा कैनल. हैव यू सीन इन द पिक्चर? दैट इज़ अ पनामा कैनल. आप अपनी बुक में देखेंगे तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू वॉच आउट. इट वॉज ओपन इन 1914 because of this canal ships do not have travel around South America to go the Atlantic of Pacific Ocean. इस कैनल बेटा किसी भी शिप को जाने के लिए साउथ अमेरिका से पैसिफिक नॉर्थ अमेरिका जाने के लिए शिप को पूरा घूम कर जाना पड़ता था. बट देयर इज़ सम कैनल एक बनाई गई पनामा कैनल जिसकी वजह से नॉर्थ अमेरिका से साउथ अमेरिका ईजी हो गया. सो नाउ वी आर जस्ट कम टू द airways. One of my favorite one, that is airways. Airways is the largest and fastest means of transport. You also know that, but it is most expensive means of transport. अभी तक हमने roadways, waterways, railways पढ़ा. This is the यानी कि airways is the most expensive means of transport. एंड वाई दे आर मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव वी कैन रीड लेटर. बताती हूँ कि क्यों सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एरोप्लेन वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय द राइट ब्रदर्स. दीज आर द राइट ब्रदर्स हु मेड द एरोप्लेन इन 1903. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम they improve the development has been made the create more advanced and एरोप्लेन. बेटा जैसे आपको अभी एरोप्लेन दिखता है, सबसे पहले ऐसा एरोप्लेन नहीं बनाया था, ये काफ़ी देर बाद ऐसा बना. सब द हु मेड द एयरवेज दैट इज़ अ एरोप्लेन दैट इज़ अ राइट ब्रदर्स इन 1903. Nowadays we have bigger and faster aeroplanes. Modern aeroplanes can fly at the height of 11 kilometer above the sea level and fly at the speed of 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर. यानी कि 1 आवर में ये 1000 किलोमीटर कवर कर सकते हैं. द अनदर एरोप्लेन्स लाइक बोइंग 747, एयरबस 380 which can carry about 400 passengers. Passengers means the people who are traveling by the train, by the aeroplane. जो लोग एरोप्लेन में बैठते हैं they are called passengers. India has also developed a jumbo cargo plane Hercules with the can carry huge quantity of good and military equipments. यानी कि बेटा बाय जो एरोप्लेन है दे कैन मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. पीपल्स को लेकर नहीं जाता, ये साथ साथ अपने कार्गो भी लेकर जाता है. लाइक अ मिलिट्री इक्विपमेंट्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री आर कनेक्टेड टू वन अनदर बाय द एयर रूट्स. सी बेटा ऑल द कंट्रीज आर कनेक्टेड टू बाय द एयर रूट एज वेल. सो एरोप्लेन नीड एयरपोर्ट. एज यू नो दैट एरोप्लेन को क्या चाहिए लैंड करने के लिए? एयरपोर्ट. एंड एयरपोर्ट टू टेक ऑफ एंड टेक ऑन. Most of the developed countries have airport in their major cities. North America, Europe, and very dense network of airways. It means North America and Europe have a large network of airways. The busy airport in the world are सबसे busy airport means the most of the people are traveling there. That is New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Montreal, London, Paris, Frankfurt, Rome, Jeddah, Mumbai, New Delhi, Hong Kong and Tokyo. These are the most busiest airports. In India, Air India is the government operated airline. India की government operated airline that is Air India. However, there are many private airlines also like Jet Airways, Indigo, Asian, Go Asia, Kingfisher are some famous airlines. So now beta chapter is finished. This exercise and this A and B part you can done in your notebook. Thank you so much students and thank you for watching this video.